The perfect connection meets ingenuity in series. Kai, what have you got today from the technology masters Nimak? Well, after having looked at the multiframeGUN and anti-C-gun in the most recent symposium, we have the first development stage of our new technology carrier, the Nimak cubeGUN. It was the objective to have a small, compact base body, which can be used for C as well for X guns. And the special thing is that you have all important components of a mobile robot welding gun that can be integrated. The result of this development process is this monolithic base body, which only weighs 13 kilos, which is the base for building up a C as well as an X gun. In this base body, we can integrate all components, such as the transformer, the spindle drive, or the guide for the C-gun. But what is the benefit? What are the benefits? Well, it's certainly a weight benefit, weight savings, because as we can see here, the components such as transformers and spindle drives do not need an external casing. The cube, as such, is the casing for these components, which are directly integrated into the base body. And later, in practical operation, it has benefits with project planning, with maintenance and repairs, because a large unit of power cubes can be prepared, can be put in the warehouse, and then later on with the electronic arms for a C-gun, or as we can see in the background for an X-gun, can be equipped. This, however, is only the first development stage of this technology project. We have other ideas, many more ideas, what we can integrate into this cube. And I think we will show this to you in one of our next symposiums. So please join us. Thank you very much, Kai, for all these details about the cubeGUN.